Delicious. Okay, so we got the lemon, and we need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Where's the good stuff? I'm gonna need more soon. I'm almost out. Yeah, one thing I want to learn to make is I want to make bratwurst, but I need to make it myself because I have to make it out of turkey or chicken because I can't eat beef or pork or lamb or any of those things. Sadly, regrettably, it is like the bane of my existence. So I'm gonna need to make my own bratwurst because I want to make sauerkraut. And if I'm gonna have sauerkraut, I have to have bratwurst. A little bit of salt. Oopsie, too much salt. You don't have a big family, so you tend to idealize big families sometimes. Oh yeah, no, my family's freaking massive, and they're awesome and all that, but some of them are just intolerable. Why can't I have the meat? I can't eat it. It gives me really bad tummy aches. It's like the more I eat, the more it's like getting kicked in the stomach. I wish I could. I used to be able to. I haven't eaten bacon in years. Alrighty. So we've kind of partially clarified this, I think. Just taking the butter solids out. Oh, new chat. Hello, fairy princess. Welcome in. All right, so we are about to make our hollandaise. I let my butter melt and I let the milk fats rise to the top so I can skim some of them off. Makes for a better hollandaise. I'm not going to do full clarification, but it should be decent now. Howdy, howdy. How's your day going so far? Let's put this over here and get a little bit of cayenne, just a pinch.